So suppose that you have a business that is specialized in weight loss, and you can have a conversation like this. For example, here, how can I lose weight? And here the answer could be, you've got to work out, mate. And then any suggestions, and you can give some suggestions, and then you can also give the user a URL where they can go to. And I have to tell you that chatbots are awesome and very useful when they are specialized in something. When they are very broad, it's kind of difficult to help your customers and your users. But when you are specialized in something, you know and you have some kind of idea of what users could ask you and what users are looking for. Therefore, you can add those questions and those responses that you think that your users and your customers might ask, instead of just having a very broad conversation with the chatbot. It's not gonna be useful at all. It's just it maybe for just for fun, or just for creating a project just for fun. But it's important to specialize in something, and to deploy your chatbot in a specific business in order to help your business and maybe your website or something like that. So here, let me run our application one more time using this conversation, and I'm assuming that I have a weight loss business. So let me here run my script and show you what's going to happen. So as you can see, my application has been deployed on my local server. Let me now head on over back to the browser and refresh. So now let me send a message. Let me say here hi, and then it's gonna respond. As you can see on the left side, I'm gonna get a response. Here it says how are you doing?